Okay, so we're going to take a look at custom editing the Windows taskbar. It's this bar down at the bottom. A couple of the main things to do here. So notice that I can't drag this around the screen right now. So if I want to move it around, I actually have to right click it and go lock taskbar. So I have to uncheck lock taskbar. At that point, I can go ahead and move it around the screen if I want. In general, if you have it where you want it, you probably want to lock it just so you don't accidentally drag it. I can also go to properties and uncheck or check auto hide. So if I check auto hide, it just is there all the time. Or if I uncheck auto hide, if I check auto hide, then it disappears when when my mouse isn't on it. Okay. If we go to navigation and toolbars, okay, so a toolbar, let's say, is like the desktop or Lenovo toolbar. Notice that now we have, click apply. Notice that now what we have is we have this desktop here that basically has everything that's on my desktop, right? Gives you network, control panel, recycle bin, that type of thing. Okay. We can also go, it has a battery gauge here, so these are kind of tools that you can add on. All right. Click apply. Okay. Okay is like okay. It's like apply and close. Apply is just change the setting. Okay. So these icons you can kind of add. So anytime something's open, so for example, let's say that I open up a program. Let's say I open up just a video player, right? Okay, so my video player is open. Now you'll see that when the program's open, it shows up on the taskbar, right? Well, I can make it just stay there by saying pin to taskbar. Okay, then when I close it, notice the icon stays. Okay, so that's a good way to add things to taskbar. I can also right-click on anything down there and do unpin from taskbar. Okay, now Windows has this kind of a cool new feature. You have multiple desktops, so that's this icon right here. Notice that it shows all the programs that are open. In this case, I have Firefox open. We can also go to a second desktop, which is really nice. Okay, so notice that on my second desktop now we don't see this Firefox icon, doesn't have anything under it. On desktop 1, notice that Firefox has this blue line under it. It's probably kind of tough to see for you right now. If we unlock the taskbar and move it over here, you can kind of see this blue line better. If we change the desktop to desktop 2, notice that it's not there anymore. Okay. So let's say that I had something open. Let's kind of take a look at what it could look like. So let's say again I have this video player open on desktop 1. I can go over to desktop 2. Or sorry, say I have it open on desktop 1. I can go switch to desktop 2. So it kind of doubles the workspace that you have. It's kind of nice to be able to have more stuff open. Okay, so oops. All right, so that is how to adjust the taskbar. Okay, the taskbar also has another area called the system tray. This has everything that's currently running. Okay, it's a good place to check. If you have things that are starting up automatically on startup, this is where you kind of look first to see what's going on with your computer. All right. Okay. Good luck.